session set up. Damn, I always say that. Our pit section set up. Here's our car. We were late, but there's a driver's meeting at 2, so we just made the driver's meeting. We have 3 sessions, I believe. Then we're gonna be drive. You see, I got my, oh yeah, type shit. But this is our stuff. I'm about to just walk around and get some B-roll of the cars. There's a lot of new cars here. A lot of cool cars that I haven't seen here before. A whole bunch of S chassides. So this video is definitely gonna have a lot of B-roll. We got A session right now, then it's B session, so I'll be back on grid for the first time today. See how the car does. It should be fine. It's typically always fine, but. All right, I caught my boy Zach pulling up to grid a couple minutes before our session, so I figured I'd get a ride along, and it was crazy. First time driving A session. I just got done with my first session. Y'all see the Apple shirt. Crash. I hit the tires. Low key, I just hit it. And it looks like it popped out a little bit. It's not too bad. I'll show y'all the video. I like barely came in too hot, threw too much angle, and like cooked the tires a wee bit, but. Not bad. You could barely see the dent, and suspension wise we didn't bend or break anything. We were able to get a whole bunch of more laps, so here's some more clips. We crashed the car. It's not too bad. Little QP action, nothing too crazy, but you see the shirt. I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning. All right, this is the bonus comp run. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play the video of each lead and chase from each driver, and y'all in the comments are going to let me know who y'all think won. Definitely a close battle. I'm excited to see what you guys think, so go ahead and leave a comment. That is going to wrap it up for today's video. If you did enjoy it, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.